For an Australian company like Seeing Machines, to advance our technology, we need access to resources, expertise and operators. So the CRC-P grant has been game-changing for us. We've had a product out in the field for a number of years that registers when a driver is fatigued by having a microsleep. But our goal really has been to capture drowsiness before it gets to a microsleep. And through the Advanced Safe Truck Concept program, we've been able to refine the algorithms to provide an earlier warning to drivers and give them even greater opportunity to more proactively manage safety.
For Finamores, we obviously bought the trucks and the drivers. Seeing Machines had the technology. Volvo very quickly and readily assisted with a truck simulator. Monash had the lab and the facilities here, the ability to bring all of that information into huge data sets that could then be manipulated.
A key advantage of the CRC-P program is really putting academics and industry together, and by having the relationships directly with Ron Finamore and also with Seeing Machines, we take the science into the real world and we can actually learn back. Without the Australian government support, we wouldn't have been able to have done this study.
This was the first program that we had seen that was specifically designed for industry. And that was really important for us because it gives us the confidence and the ability to shape the program to ensure that it meets our needs, which is enhancing our technology and keeping the roads safer.
About 25% of all deaths on the road are caused by fatigue, about 25% are caused by distraction. This technology was very exciting for us because it gave us the ability to see what was happening in the cab. It gives us the ability to understand if a driver's having a micro sleep or at risk of having that, but also it's allowing us to track and monitor distraction.
You look at where they're looking, you look at what they're looking at, and that's really the data that we've been able to capture through this program.
The technology in the camera picked up my facial expressions, the movement of my eyes, the dipping of my head, and within minutes I was receiving a phone call from Finamore's operations in Wodonga asking me, is everything all right? It's a good thing for everybody. It's a good thing for the truck driver and it's a good thing for the everyday driver that's out there on the road.
A key aspect of the collaboration is that we've been able to collect the data that not only improves the technology, but also provides the scientific evidence to our sophisticated customers that this is robust technology that they should invest in to solve these critical safety problems.
There's a really unique opportunity for us to actually come together, and the CRC-P program really provided the vehicle. We need to address road trauma in Australia, we need to do more, and we do know that fatigue and distraction are really significant issues that through technology we can actually make a big dent in it.
The Australian government has helped fund something that will not only be beneficial here for Australians and Australian road users, but has potential use across the world. And that's a very exciting place to be.
We've shown just with one project how it can fundamentally change our product offering on the global market. When we submitted the application for the CRC-P grant in 2016, we were 75 people. We're now 250. And that growth really is in response to the huge demand that we are seeing globally from car manufacturers in particular. So that's critically important for positioning our technology on the global stage.